Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, as you already know, I'm back with another untwisted Yankee Twist crochet install. Now this has quickly become one of my favorite hairstyles to do, and at this point I think I've lost count of the number of times I've had this installed. One thing I can tell you for a fact though is you can never go wrong with this hairstyle. It's always come out cute and very natural. It's perfect for all occasions, plus it's easy, fast and very affordable to do, and today is no different. So watch and let me know what you think. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet, and now let's get in. So the Yankee twist I'll be using today is from the brand Youngther on Amazon, and the hair originally came in twisted and pre-looped. To make it easy to untwist, cut off the ends just a little bit and go ahead and unravel. It's best to start from the ends and work your way up to prevent tangles. So this is going to be my second install of this hair. The first time I had it installed twisted. Now the length is 12 inches and this is the natural black or color 1B. So you get 6 packs and each pack has 40 twists, so you get like 240 in total. Now I know it sounds like a lot of hair to get untwisted individually, but trust me, it's really easy and fast. It takes less than 2 hours to untwist, or if you don't want to finish at a sitting, you can do them in bits and spread them across a few days. I usually untwist them a day before the install. So this is my cornrow braid pattern. This has been my go-to lately. For this, I have 12 mini cornrows in the front, 6 on each side. This right here makes it a free part. With this pattern, you can have a middle part as well as a side part. Again, I crisscross the braids to bridge the path so it doesn't appear like it's a straight part from the front to the back. That's how the back looks. I made sure to tuck away all the ends so there will be none hanging. So I'll be crocheting 3 pieces of the hair at a time for the entire back section. It's quick and faster this way. After taking out your pieces, you create your loop and then crochet the hair as you regularly do while double knotting to secure it in. Now some of you guys were concerned with the knot loosening and as a result of the hair falling out. However, trust me when I say this, with the double knot method, this hair will be locked in and secured until you decide to take them out yourself, being it the crochet wig or having it crochet directly onto your hair. Now I'm done crocheting, and can we take a moment to appreciate how natural looking these curls are. I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but it's full and that's all 240 pieces. I like my hair with more volume, so I had to use up all of the hair. However, if you're not a voluminous girly, then 3 to 4 packs should be enough for a full head. So I don't want to do too much cutting because I want to maintain the length, and so the tip here is to cut out only the overly long pieces. This automatically shapes up the hair. You don't need to master the art of cutting hair to do this. It's really easy and fast and very beginner friendly. Also note the hair is very springy and curls back, so you have to pull to cut. So that's the amount of hair I cut out. As you can see, it's not much. I also cut in some curtain bangs as well, and that's how it looks. I think it looks really cute. Now for my final touches, the only thing I'm adding to this hair is some baby hairs, and that's it. I won't be adding any products. The curls are already defined and tangle free, which makes it the perfect curly hair for your crochet hairstyles. Plus it's low maintenance. All you need is some mousse and some hair serum and you're good to go. So I plan to have this in for at least 3 weeks and then probably make it into a crochet U-part wig or a half wig. Let me know which one you all prefer. So that's the final look. It turned out cute as always. The texture and curl pattern looks like a wash and curl my natural hair. It's full, flowy and versatile as well. It's very affordable and I know it's a synthetic hair, but trust me, you're going to love this too. The link and hair details will be in the description. There are so many options available to choose from. So that'll be all for this video. Feel free to leave any questions regarding this in the comments below and I'll gladly answer them. I hope you like this. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on post notification if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all pretty soon in the next one. Thanks so much for watching and bye for now.